We were very lucky to get a gift voucher from some friends. So we've been from Lydia being 2 weeks old up until her first birthday. Jen is fabulous, so easygoing, put me and my husband at ease. She's been brilliant with Lydia. No trauma, no tears, just lots of smiles. Well, Jen is just so friendly. She just, from the minute from walking in, she just makes you feel so relaxed. I'm really pleased that we've come and done this experience, because from now, Lydia's grown so much, and looking back from her photos from her first shoot up until now, it's just amazing how much she's changed and that we've caught that.
I think what she offered to our day, when I look back at the photos, is I feel like she completely captured the day and the feelings and the moments and the emotions of the day. When I look through the photos, I completely relive the full day, from when I was getting dressed to the speeches to us arriving. I just completely relive it, and I just think it's magical looking at our photos. I really think that they're beautiful. We were so impressed with our wedding photos that since then we've had a couple more shoots with Jen. So she's done an amazing Father's Day shoot that we had in a local park that was absolutely fantastic for my husband and his son. I've recently had a baby, but we had a pregnancy shoot and then also a newborn shoot of our little son when he was 11 days old. So we've been that impressed that we've come back again and again, and we'll continue to come back and have family photos because we've been so impressed.
The thing that I think made the day was the fact that not only did she make us feel relaxed, but she made all our guests feel relaxed. And there was no pressure when we had the photographs done. Everybody said how amazed they were with her. She's just fantastic, makes you feel relaxed. Even if you don't like your photos being taken, she makes you want to have more photos taken. And she makes you have a really good laugh when you're actually having the photos taken.
It is a non-stop giggle fest when you go out with Jen, because she actually crawls on the floor like a ninja. She appears in corners that you don't realise, and she makes you put your hands in your pocket when you're told not to. So, yeah, it's actually very good. Good fun.